Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the mattress and frame precisely. Note both width and length to the nearest 1/2 inch so cuts fit. Once measured, choose the only way. Build a side and foot extension using matching lumber and a new platform. You must confirm ceiling clearance, doorway access, and mattress compatibility because those constraints determine materials and joint types. Prepare a simple sketch with dimensions, list screws, brackets, and a 3/4 plywood top, and you now attach the extension frame to the existing bed. First, cut 2x4 rails to the measured extension widths, pre-drill holes to prevent splitting. Then bolt metal corner brackets to both old and new rails, clamp them square, and drive long wood screws through bracket holes. Once connected, install a center support leg at the midpoint and screw in cross slats at 3 to 4 spacing to spread the load. Make sure everything is flush and square before sheathing. You finish by fastening a 3/4 plywood platform to the extension frame, using glue and screws every 8 for a firm bond, sand and seal edges to match. Once done, place the mattress and check for gaps. Use foam strips or a rigid filler to eliminate pressure points. If you detect wobble or noise, make sure to tighten all brackets, add shims between frame joints, and reinforce the center leg. If a persistent issue remains, recheck squareness and add an extra cross brace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.